So welcome to this video. In this video we are going to write our first prompt, especially related to day-to-day job we are doing in our offices or workspace. So I see a little difference between when we sign in with our personal account and when I log in, or when I log in with our work or a work account, or you can say the tenant based account. So first of all, I'm going to log in with the normal account. So let's see what options are available for a chat, and I click on sign in and click on, and it asks me a Microsoft account. So now it has two options. One is my personal account, and then is where I'm working. So I'm first login with my personal account. So I have a very simple login, and here I write a different trends, usually writing for my day-to-day job. So I'm asking him to write 5 tips from my book summary, for, let's see, write 5 tips as a summary for how to win friends and influence people. Right, I enter. So it asked me, gave me a 5 tips from the book. So I can use this to in my day-to-day job. Even I can write same prompt, please write 5 tip as you as whiteboard YouTube video script for how to win friends and influence people. Okay, I had entered, and it gave me the tips that title, frame. Here you can show and smile, use their name, don't criticize, condemn and complain, smile, username, avoid criticism. It give me some kind of art, you can say, trip. So now I'm going to write, even it asked me more options like, can you provide more tips for a script. Now how can I modify for a young audience, right? This actually, the prompt is a instruction or a set of words that helps to. So what is a prompt? Prompt is also engineering. Prompt is actually an instruction or set of words that any chat engine or chatbot or any you can say, the prompt is an input or instruction to give by AI language model to generate a response. The prompt is a way that you communicate with AI language model. So you here is for example, give the different types of examples. So similarly, I can use for my day-to-day job. For example, what are top 3 implementation models for Microsoft D365 finance and operations? Right, I'm a ERP consultant, so let's see, ask how it will be answered. So it give me modular implementation, big bang hybrid implementation. It give me a different options. Actually, very differently, if I go to my account, office account, there will be a more option. For example, if I'm going to sign in with Microsoft, and now I want to log in with my company account or tenant account. So it asks me 2 options: switch to a switch to a personal, or switch to a work. A helpful AI model for your everyday outside of your work, right? That we already saw when I sign in with a personal account. or a Copilot integration with your enterprise account, right? I'm going to test this. So now here is little bit more powerful. I think here we have a more option that rewrite sound following analysis, list keyboard from this. So let's see, I am going to see, right? And here is option, even we can create the chatbot even, and we can also store different our past conversations. So I ask about Bulle Shah's poem and all conversation, so it give me the history of last 7 day poems. And if I have a page, I don't have any page. And even we can create, so it creates me option for different types of documents as well. So it's a more powerful as compared to what we have in personal account. But for this course video, I'm going to use my personal account, so everyone can use leverage this course for their creation of Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and rest of the applications. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.